Hi there, little explorers. Waterwave, welcome to Underwater Wonders, where we dive deep into the ocean to discover amazing sea creatures and colorful coral reefs. Today, we're going on our first adventure, and it's going to be full of exciting underwater friends. Look at this. Isn't the ocean magical? This is a coral reef. Coral reefs are like cities under the sea, where fish and other sea creatures live and play. Corals come in all shapes and colors. Can you spot a pink one? Or maybe a purple one?
Wow, look at these fish. They're so colorful. These are clownfish, and they love to hide in coral to stay safe. Can you count how many fish are swimming around? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Look at this clownfish. And look who's joining us, a sea turtle. Sea turtles are gentle creatures that glide through the water. They can swim for long distances and sometimes live for more than 100 years. Isn't that amazing? Look at this sea turtle. Wow, a playful dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and love to jump and play. Did you know they talk to each other by making clicking sounds? Let's all try clicking like dolphins. Click, click, click. Look at this dolphin. Here comes a jellyfish. Jellyfish look like they're from another planet. They float through the water, moving their tentacles so gently. But don't touch. Some jellyfish can sting. Look at this jellyfish. Wasn't that an amazing underwater adventure? Today, we learned about coral reefs, colorful fish, sea turtles, dolphins, and jellyfish. The ocean is full of wonders, and there's so much more to discover. Thanks for diving in with us today, little explorers. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tiny Tongs for more ocean adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.